Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And you know, today I have selected some exclusive Jamdani sarees collections only for you. So let me display best for your festive wear. And this one is soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani and elegant color combinations of white cream shade, best for your festive wear and all over, you know, beautiful weaving Jamdani design work. This one is full base part all over heavy Dhakai Jamdani design work. This portion is border portions, fully traditional Jamdani design work, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one, you know, pallu portions, fully fine traditional Jamdani design, heavy worked pallu. And this one is all over base. And which is this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding bright looks. And this one also, you know, same material Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one, you know, all over grey base and contrast yellow traditional Jamdani, contrast yellow threaded Jamdani design work, very elegant looks. And this portion is border portions, fully fine traditional Jamdani design work, contrast color threaded weaving and all over, you know, Dhakai work, same Dhakai work all over base and handloom soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one is pallu portions, traditional Jamdani design work. And this one is full base part, very fresh look. This one is all over base, traditional Jamdani design work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your smart looks. And this one also, you know, nice color combinations and beautiful one, fresh elegant looks, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one is full base part, cream shade, off-white shade with all over contrast color threaded Jamdani design, heavy worked all over base. And this one, you know, pallu portions, fine Jamdani design work pallu. And this one, you know, full base part all over beautiful Jamdani work. This one is full base part Jamdani design. This portion is border portion, traditional looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving multicolor stripes, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your elegant and fresh looks. Very beautiful color combinations, fresh yellow shade with contrast color threaded Jamdani design work. This one is full base part all over traditional Jamdani design work and soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional. And this one, you know, pallu portions, beautiful Jamdani design work pallu. And this one is all over base, nice color combinations, fresh looks all over heavy traditional Jamdani design work. And I will suggest this the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. And this one also, you know, nice color combinations, very fresh looks, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. Base is pure white and all over, you know, silk with Dhakai with contrast color buta. This one is full base part. This portion is border portions, fully fine traditional Jamdani design work, Dhakai work border all over base, all over Dhakai work, self Dhakai work with highlighted copper golden and golden zari weaving buta all over base, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one is pallu portion, same Dhakai work without running blouse piece, Dhakai Jamdani only sari length. And this one is full base part all over self Dhakai work with highlighted golden and copper golden buta. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding elegant looks. And this one also, you know, baby pink shade, fresh color combination, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani all over heavy Dhakai work, all over base Dhakai work. This one is pallu portions, fully traditional Dhakai work and main base part is handloom, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani, nice color combinations, baby pink base. And this portion is, you know, border portions, fully traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work border all over heavy Dhakai work all over base. traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work without running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Nice color combinations best for your puja wear, Durga puja wear. Off-white, cream, shade, red contrast design work, red contrast weaving, threaded weaving design Jamdani work. This one is full base part, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, and this portion is border portions, fully traditional Jamdani design work, border all over Dhakai work, very fresh looks, cream shade, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with red contrast work. This one, pallu portions, fully traditional Jamdani design, heavy worked pallu, and this one is border portions, very elegant and nice looks, and all over Dhakai work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding face looks, elegant also. And this one, nice color combinations, lavender shade and soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over, heavy Dhakai work. This one is full base part, all over base, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This portion is border portions, fully contrast color, threaded weaving Dhakai work, border all over base, heavy Dhakai work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This portion is pallu portions, fully traditional Jamdani design work, pallu all over Dhakai work without running blouse piece, only sari length, Dhakai Jamdani only sari length. And this one full base part Jamdani design work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully multicolor weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks. And this one white and red contrast based for your festive wear, Durga puja wear, very fresh looks, white base all over, contrast red threaded Dhakai work. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, fully traditional Jamdani design, Dhakai Jamdani design work, border all over Dhakai work without running blouse piece, only sari length, all over Dhakai work. And this one is pallu portions, fully traditional Jamdani design, heavy worked pallu. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. I will display some exclusive hand weaving collections and pure premium quality handloom charka cotton with fine hand weaving design work. And this one full base part, very elegant looks and soft, obviously with handloom mark also, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton, pure cotton by cotton with exclusive hand weaving Jamdani design work. Main base is cream shade fine material, fine cotton and charka cotton, and this one is contrast red border all over, hand weaving, fine hand weaving Jamdani buta. This one is fully weaving work, fine hand weaving, and this portion is pallu portions, beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, fine hand weaving Dhakai work. This one is pallu portion, beautiful exclusive collections. These are traditional pure Dhakai Jamdani design work and fine weaving process. And this one full base part all over traditional Jamdani buta, colorful threaded Jamdani buta and pure premium quality charka cotton, exclusive one. And this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant looks. And next one also same material, pure premium quality charka cotton, pure cotton handloom cotton with traditional Dhakai work. This one full base part, fully traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work and fine cotton material and very lightweight, 300 gram weight only, and beautiful traditional Jamdani design work all over base, fine cotton charka cotton and all over fine hand weaving design Dhakai work, traditional Dhakai work with fine weaving work. This one back portions fully fine weaving and very soft one, lightweight, below 300 gram weight. These are exclusive one, fine material, fine cotton with fine Jamdani design work. And we suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. Very nice one, lavender shade and same material, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, fine material and beautiful exclusive Dhakai Jamdani, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work and fully fine hand weaving design work. This one, full base part, soft material, premium quality cotton fabric, fine cotton with beautiful traditional Dhakai work and fine hand weaving design work. This one is beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, and this one is weaving, fine weaving and all over Dhakai Buta lavender shade and very soft one, lightweight premium quality charka cotton, 300 gram, below 300 gram weight. And this one is pallu portions, fully traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, pallu fine weaving work with handloom mark, and this one is all over Dhakai work, very fresh and elegant looks, exclusive collections these are. And this one, Dhakai border, all over Dhakai button, pure cotton fabric, charka cotton, premium quality cotton fabric. And I will suggest this cotton material, weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also, very traditional color combinations and material is, premium quality soft cotton, charka cotton with traditional Dhakai work, fine exclusive hand weaving Jamdani design work. This one, border portion, contrast color, 1/2 inch highlighted border and full border portions, traditional Dhakai work and fine hand weaving design work, fine hand weaving Dhakai. This one is weaving, fine work and all over Dhakai buta, multicolor threaded weaving Dhakai buta and very soft one, premium quality fine cotton fabric, handloom hand weaving and all over Dhakai work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, fully traditional Jamdani design work with handloom mark, and this one is fine weaving Jamdani work, Dhakai work, and this portion is border portions, very elegant looks. And the people suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant looks. And this one also, bright one and very nice color combinations. Material is same material, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton with traditional Jamdani design work, Dhakai Jamdani and fully fine hand weaving work with handloom mark. This one is premium quality soft khadi cotton, bright black shade, contrast border and all over, contrast color weaving Dhakai buta, fine hand weaving work. And this one, pallu portions, bright fresh look. This one is fine hand weaving design work, pallu fully Dhakai work, traditional Dhakai. And this one is weaving, fine hand weaving design with handloom mark and pallu and beautiful design. And this one, full base part, bright black shade, contrast color, 1 inch border, and this one is all over Dhakai buta and running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and elegant looks. Nice color combinations and very exclusive collections, pure Dhakai work, fine hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani design work, contrast color, 1/2 inch highlighted border. And this one is very fine material, premium quality, pure charka cotton with traditional hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani design work, and very lightweight, only 200 gram weight, and pure cotton fabric, fine cotton with contrast color highlighted, 1/2 inch border. And this one is fine hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani design work border. And this one weaving pattern, fully fine weaving Dhakai work, traditional Dhakai Jamdani all over Dhakai buta. And this one is material, fine cotton material, charka cotton, handloom hand weaving with handloom mark. And this one pallu portions, beautiful traditional fine Dhakai work pallu. This one is pallu portions and pure white base, pure premium quality fine cotton material all over Dhakai buta, weight only 200 gram. This one full base part. And I purchase this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, gray shade, premium quality khadi cotton base with traditional fine hand weaving Dhakai work, the exclusive one. This one is full base part, soft obviously, and elegant color combinations, gray shade, contrast reddish pink border all over Dhakai buta, very fresh looks. This one is full base part, fully fine hand weaving Dhakai buta, Dhakai jamdani, and this one, pallu portions, fine weaving Dhakai work pallu. These are beautiful, fine, exclusive hand weaving design Dhakai work, and all over Dhakai buta with handloom mark, and all are very lightweight, comfortable, premium quality. This one is border, and this one is running blouse piece, and all over traditional Dhakai buta. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, light wine shade and same material, premium quality, fine cotton fabric, pure charka cotton, handloom, hand weaving Dhakai work, and with handloom mark also. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, fully fine Dhakai jamdani design work, very exclusive hand weaving. These are weaving pattern, fine hand weaving design, and all over Dhakai buta wine shade, and this one is pallu portions, fine weaving Dhakai work, highlighted pallu, and very lightweight, premium quality, fine cotton with Dhakai work, Dhakai jamdani design work. This one is full base part, very lightweight, below 300 gram, and this one border portions, traditional Dhakai work border all over buta, and this one is full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very nice and traditional looks, and same material, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, exclusive hand weaving Dhakai work. This one full base part, traditional Dhakai jamdani design work, contrast color, half-inch border, and full border portions, beautiful traditional Dhakai work border all over Dhakai buta, and base lightweight, comfortable, below 300 gram weight, and premium quality, fine charka cotton base. This one is full base part, Dhakai buta, Dhakai weaving border, and this one pallu portions, beautiful Dhakai jamdani design, traditional work pallu, very fresh and elegant looks. This one is pallu portions, and this one border portions, very fresh one, and just this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. Nice color combinations, nice one, and same material, soft Dhakai, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, soft one, fine material, fine cotton with all over Dhakai work. This one is fine cotton fabric, traditional Dhakai jamdani design work all over base, and this portion is border portions, fine hand weaving Dhakai jamdani design work border, and fully fine weaving pattern, fine work weaving, and this one is all over base, traditional Dhakai buta, very smart looks, and fine cotton fabric, soft one, only below 300 gram weight, and this one is all over base, Dhakai buta, and this one is pallu portions, fully fine weaving design work, highlighted Dhakai jamdani design work pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft one, comfortable, elegant looks, and I present this cotton fabric, nice weaving contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And today I have got a beautiful saree, same material, premium quality cotton fabric, charka cotton, contrast colored, half-inch highlighted border, all over fine weaving Dhakai buta, traditional Dhakai buta, all over base, and this one is pallu portions, fine weaving design work, jamdani design work, pallu fully fine weaving Dhakai work, very exclusive one, with handloom mark, and premium quality, soft one, beautiful elegant saree and designer blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.